Okay guys, this is how to clean your AC split unit air filter. So on both sides there's something here. You put two on there and release the clip on the side, both side, and lift it up until it go up and it stay up. Alright, then these are two filters. If you're looking at them dirty, you can see up here. Alright, so to remove it now, these two things, this is two different pieces. Take up this one, so lift this up, slide it up, pull it over this notch right here, and you pull it down slowly. I don't want it to fall out, I mess up the place. So you just wash these things and you replace it back. Same when you remove it, opposite. Slide them back inside each of them. Make sure they're over this notch and you close by this down like this, and then you're good to go.